Hey students, so I want to go over a few tidbits that I think are going to be helpful and meaningful for you as you continue to navigate the course. So first of all, we are at gaston.edu, our college's webpage. And what I want to show you here, a couple things. First of all, these quick links. So if you click below here, what you'll see is this section under students. You have your email, you have the library access right here. You have technology resources, and then, of course, self service, which you have started using this summer. The first thing I want to turn your attention to is your email. So, as you can see, and mine is pulling up a little slowly, but this is my email account. But what I want to show you is if you go into certain of these programs, so like right here, you have Outlook, but right here on my homepage, you have this button here that says install Office. If you click on that button and it says download Office 365 apps, you can click on that and you can follow these steps. So for me, it populated right here, but you follow these steps, and guys, you will have access to Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote for free. Please ensure that you take the time to download these to your computer. You will not have access to all the tools that you need without the downloaded version. So I'm going to walk you through that one more time. If you were here on your Gaston homepage and you go to your student email account, where it pulls up the homepage, you are going to click on Install Office, which is right here in your right corner. Click on that little icon and you are going to download it from this point. So when we go back to the homepage, another couple of things I want to draw your attention to. If you click right here in your search bar and you type in Writing Center, it's going to bring you to our amazing Gaston College Writing Center. So, the Writing Center, guys, is a free service that you have to work on your essays, to get help on your grammar, your mechanics. You can brainstorm, you can draft, you can outline. These are coaches who are extremely gifted, extremely talented, and they are there to serve and help you grow in confidence as you're learning how to communicate effectively. So if you scroll down on this page, there's a contact list, and it shows you where your student resources are. It shows you the Writing Center hours, and then it also shows you the contact information. The Writing Center is located in the Morris Library in room 204, and this is their telephone number, which is 704-922-2369. What I also want to show you is right here to schedule an online or in-person session, which is their most preferred method of appointment. You can complete this request form. I mean, you can get a couple times there. But finally, the last thing that I want to show you is this YouTube page. The Writing Center has done a wonderful job of cultivating some really, really strong videos that can help students with their writing. So, right here, you see they have MLA format. This shows how their online session works. This talks about diction, integrating sources, logical fallacies, brainstorming, understanding point of view, just a lot of great resources and tips and tricks that can help you in your writing process. Another thing that I want to point out to you is our library. So here, if you're ever searching for sources, you're not going to do a ton of this in English 111, but the little bit that you do, this is going to be where your library page is at. And there are books, you can find articles, and you can search out of different databases down here. And most importantly, what I want to draw your attention to is this wonderful Ask a Librarian chat room that you have access to. Guys, I hope this was helpful. Again, this is really just to go over some really important things that can help you for this class. Number one, I'm going to quick links and on your email, downloading Microsoft Office. Number two, the Writing Center, which you can click right here in this little search bar. And I have mine populated clearly. And then the library. And then finally, the last thing I want to go over are your technology resources. Guys, if you're ever having trouble with Blackboard or logging in or trying to figure out just how to get in touch with somebody in terms of getting some help on getting back into your programs, this is where you are going to go. So this website talks about student technology resources, getting started, your student information, your student email. It can tell you how to do your password reset. And then finally, if all else fails and you have read everything, you've looked at all of your options, you're not getting the resources that you need, you can always call the tech services number. And again, I use this search bar for everything. Um, Here we go. Let me go right here under technology resources and the employees. Maybe that's where I've got the telephone number. So if you go to the GC help desk, this is going to be your best friend, Technology Services Support Center. Here are their summer hours that they are open. It is 8 to 5, Monday through Thursday. Here is their telephone number, which is 704-922-6420. And you can walk into CET 11, which is right next to the RCB, the Arts and Sciences building on the Dallas campus. And they will be glad to help you with any issues you're having. Guys, I hope this was helpful and meaningful. If you have any questions on how to navigate some of these things, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I will be more than happy to help you.